Hello, learners, and welcome back to Slow English with Jenna. My name is Jenna Matthew, and I am so happy you are here with me today. Just listen to me and improve your English. That is all you need to do. Today, we are going to talk about something that I think everyone needs to hear. Simple habits that make you happier. Not big changes, not difficult things, just small, simple habits. Things you can start doing today. Things that will slowly make your life feel better. So let us begin. First, let me ask you something. When was the last time you felt truly happy? Not excited, not just okay, but genuinely happy. For some people, that is a hard question to answer. And I think that is because we are always waiting to be happy later. When I get that job, I will be happy. When I have more money, I will be happy. When things are perfect, I will be happy. But here's the truth. Happiness is not something you find later. Happiness is something you build now, with small habits every single day. So let me share some of my favorite ones with you. The first habit is this. Go outside every day, even for just 10 minutes. Just walk. Look at the sky. Feel the air on your face. Something happens when you go outside. Your mind slows down, your body relaxes, and everything feels a little lighter. It sounds so simple, but so many people forget to do this. They stay inside all day, looking at their phone, looking at their screen, and they wonder why they feel tired and heavy. Go outside every day, even when you do not feel like it, especially when you do not feel like it. The second habit is to move your body. You do not need to go to the gym. You do not need to run 5 kilometers. Just move. Stretch in the morning. Dance in your room. Walk around your neighborhood. When you move your body, your brain releases something called endorphins. Endorphins are chemicals that make you feel good. They're like a natural happiness boost, and they are completely free. So move your body every day, even for just a few minutes. You will feel the difference. The third habit is one of my favorites. Put your phone down before you sleep. I know, this one is hard, but listen. When you scroll through your phone at night, your brain stays awake. It keeps thinking, it keeps comparing, it keeps worrying, and you wake up the next morning feeling tired and heavy. But when you put your phone down, your brain gets to rest, and you wake up feeling lighter, feeling clearer, feeling ready for the day. Try it tonight. Just put the phone down 30 minutes before you sleep and see how you feel tomorrow morning. The fourth habit is to drink more water. I know this sounds too simple, but most people are not drinking enough water every day, and when your body is dehydrated, everything feels harder. You feel tired. You feel foggy. You feel a little irritable. But when you drink enough water, your energy comes back. Your mind feels clearer, and your mood gets better. So start your morning with a glass of water. Before coffee, before your phone, just water. It's a small thing, but it makes a real difference. The fifth habit is to say one kind thing to yourself every day. This one might sound a little strange, but it's so important. We are often very hard on ourselves. We make a mistake and we say, "I'm so stupid." We look in the mirror and we think negative thoughts. We compare ourselves to others and we feel not good enough. But what if you changed that? What if every morning you looked at yourself and said one kind thing? "I'm doing my best. I'm getting better every day. I am enough." It feels uncomfortable at first, but slowly it changes the way you feel about yourself. And when you feel better about yourself, everything in your life starts to feel better too. I want to remind you of something. You do not need to do all of these habits at once. Just pick one. Start with one small habit this week. Go outside every day, move your body, put your phone down before bed, drink more water, or say something kind to yourself. Just one, and do it every day. Small habits done consistently are more powerful than big changes done once. Remember that. Now, I have a question for you. Which habit are you going to try this week? Leave a comment below and tell me. I would love to know. And if you're enjoying Slow English with Jenna, please subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new episode. A new episode comes out every week. Thank you so much for listening today. You did great. Keep going, keep learning, and I will see you next time.